How to create an Amazon seller account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can create an Amazon seller account. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, open up your browser. Then you have to head over to sale.amazon.com. That's gonna take you to this page. From here, navigate to top right, click on sign up. So once you're here, now you'll be prompted to sign in with your Amazon account. You can use your existing Amazon account. If not, you could also create a new account. So here, you log in or provide your Amazon sign-in credential. Now you'll be prompted for the two-step verification. Complete this verification process. Then on the next prompt, you will be asked to enter your business and seller information. So provide all of the information that will be asked, such as your business type, your full name, your business name, and also your address and phone number. Once you're done with your business and seller information, and on the next step you'll be prompted to add your billing and bank information. So enter your credit or debit card for the account verification and billing. Also make sure that you provide your bank details to receive the payouts. After that, the next step, you will prompt it for your identity verification. You'll be required to upload your valid government issued ID, a bank statement, or the utility bill so that it will help you to verify your address. And at last, you have to set up your seller profile. You could choose your store name, add your product category, and then your shipping settings. Now, finally, once you're verified, you could go to your Seller Central. That is sellercentral.amazon.com. Click on inventory, then you could add a product. Then you could start uploading items with the description, pricing, and photos. So that's it. That's how you can create seller account on Amazon. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.